friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we are making this delicious Matar Paneer. Heat a pan on a medium flame and add some oil. Take 300 grams of paneer and fry the paneer on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is golden brown. Then set the paneer aside while we make the masala for our Matar Paneer. Heat a pan and add some oil. Then add 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2 inches of ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, roughly chopped onions. Saute until the onions are translucent. Our onions have started to become translucent. We are going to add stems of coriander or cilantro. This gives it a nice flavor. 12 cashews. Salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Add 4 roughly chopped tomatoes and cook it until the tomatoes have become mushy and the skin starts separating from the tomatoes. Put the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. You will see that the tomatoes have become mushy now. Now cool down the mixture. Our masala has cooled down. We are going to blend it in a blender into a fine paste. Now set it aside while we make the sauce. Heat a pan and add some oil. Then add 1 cube of butter, finely chopped onions. Saute until the onions are translucent. You can see our onions are now getting translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. I'm not going to add the whole garam masala because I'll be adding the garam masala powder in the end. Then add 250 grams of frozen green peas to the masala. Give it a good mix. Add some salt. Now add the fine masala paste to the pan. Make sure to keep stirring constantly because the cashews can get burnt. Now add some water. Give it a mix. And depending on the consistency that you like, you can choose the amount of water. Now add the fried paneer to the masala. And give it a good mix. At this point, you can taste the salt and adjust according to your taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of homemade garam masala and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Finely cut coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. You can add more water if you desire. Let this cook for about 5 minutes. Our delicious Matar Paneer is now ready to be served and enjoyed. It smells absolutely divine and tastes amazingly delicious. I hope you try this simple, easy, and delicious recipe. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes just like this. Until next time, get spiced and thrive.